Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Comenity for payment plans, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Comenity website. Locate the register or sign up option on the home page. Click on the option to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your first and last name accurately. Provide a valid email address. Create a secure password that meets the requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again. Enter your billing address as it appears on your account. Input your phone number for account verification. Select any preferences for account notifications. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click on the Create Account button to submit your information. Check your email for a verification link from Comenity. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You may be directed back to the Comenity site. Log in using your email and newly created password. After logging in, navigate to the Payment Plans section. Select the payment plan that fits your needs. Review the details of the payment plan offered. Enter any additional information required to finalize the plan. Submit your payment plan application. You should receive confirmation of your registration and plan selection. Access your account anytime to manage your payment plans. Keep your login details secure for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.